There we go. Hello. Hello, hello. Once again, what's up Twitch? What's up YouTube? What's up Kick? How are we doing? How have we been? What's up John Hollow? What's up brother? How are we my friend? How are we? How is everyone doing? How was your Christmas? It was a nice chill one. Took my kids and my wife to see her grandfather. And this particular grandfather just happens to be my children's great-great-great-grandfather. So genuinely, it was really good. Just good being surrounded by a lot of, people. It's a lot of family, pretty much, with the in-laws. But all in all, man, it was good. It was good. Nothing too crazy for us. Have you ever made a surfboard? Nah, brother, I haven't. G'day, brother Ed. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone got what their wonderful Christmas. I got a protein bar, a protein shake, energy drink, a JBL speaker that is playing right now, and some hair ties. Yeah, I needed hair ties. I did not get no Lynx Africa, no undies, no socks this year. So that was a different experience for me. No pencils? No, I gotta get them myself. Do you ever take the day off wood carving? I took one day off. And that was Boxing Day. I did some carving through the Christmas holidays, just some presents. Just some presents as well. Got a box of favorites. Oh, bro, I love me some favorites. I was keen on some roasted almonds this year, but yeah, we didn't get those. But yeah, not too long till the end of the year, guys. So here it is, the 29th. The 29th of December. A lot of drama has gone on from what I've seen. FaZe Clan is officially over, unfortunately. Pretty sad to see, but I don't know how it came about. What else? What else have I seen people get mad at? That girl that essayed someone on their Twitch channel was back on stream. That's a bit of a weird one, eh? Letting someone that's done that on a live stream back on the platform. Yeah, I thought that was a weird decision. What else have I seen? Agent trying to go to a very cold place, negative 32 degrees with no shelter and no fire. I thought that was pretty silly. Yeah, trying to speed run life there. But thank goodness he saw the light and left. My goodness. I saw a bit of that stream as someone, that knows how to survive in the wilderness, but not to those extremes. But bro, if you got no hut, bro, if you got no shelter and no fire, what the fuck are you doing? Like, genuinely. A streamer who ran... Wait, what? I'll be honest, there's been a couple silly streamers that have been driving and streaming this year, eh? I'm trying to think of other things that I've seen lately. Yeah, I can't really think of any others. But yeah, it's been an interesting year. And saying that though, we did quite a bit this year too. I want to try and do more though next year, leading into the next year. As some of you know, one of my main focuses next year is going to be my YouTube channel. Kanata graduated from Hololive. So, with that being said, so when people graduate from Hololive, what do they do next? I watched the Hololive streamers concert on YouTube, and I was like, my goodness, they go all out, eh? They go all out. So, like, for example, if they graduate, does that, like, mean, oh, they finished streaming or something, or finished being a VTuber? With a different identity. Oh, yeah, yeah, the VTuber I've seen popping up on my bloody TikTok is she's new, but apparently they know who it is. It's a crocodile person or a crocodile character. Yeah, she popped up on my FYP quite a bit there. Whakairo crocodile, yeah, that person. Yeah, they popped up on my FYP quite a bit, and then I just watched the episode and I was like, oh, that's interesting. So is that kind of like what you mean when they graduate? Yeah, they're gonna give me a ooh. This fella flirting with me. Steak and cheese. Someone tell Ed to stop flirting with me. So many people on Twitter are freaking out about it for some reason. Maybe they're big fans. Yeah, I'll be honest, if I ever had a VTuber model, whatever it may be, it would either be a mango with a Maximus's helmet on, or Lionheart's helm from World of Warcraft. I'd want to be just the helmet with my eyes. That's one of my favorite helmets in the game. From classic, good old Lionheart's helm. Because in a lot of cases everyone knows, but there's a thing about not saying it out loud. Yeah, I'd probably just be a mango, but with yeah, Maximus's helmet on. But I'd probably just use it on occasions, eh? I wouldn't like fully turn to it. Said Durata, yeah, I'm just playing WoW ambient music. I love your carvings. If you have time, can you show us your proudest work? Oh, it's all on Instagram, my bro, and it's out of town. A lot of the work that I'm proud of, my bro, is kind of in different towns or in storage. While he's performing. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, Beazle. That makes a lot of sense, man. Yeah, if I think Iron Mango, I'm thinking just a mango with, yeah, gladiator helmet on. Yeah, I wouldn't have a character or anything like that. That's a bit too much for me. Morena master, morena my bro. How are you, brother? How are you? Things I'm looking forward to next year. Doing more YouTube videos. OnlyFans again. Looking forward to jamming in OnlyFans again. That's gonna be fun, bro. I can't wait. But I'm gonna try and go a little bit harder on OnlyFans next year. It is gonna be a bit hard though, because I'm doing a hardcore challenge. Hey, what's up, Dram? I hope the holidays have been treating you and the family well. They've been good, my bro. Took my daughters and my wife to see their grandfather. The difference is with this grandfather, my bro, it's my girl's great grandfather. So we had a bit of a quiet Christmas this year. I didn't mind it one bit. And also, you know, just saying Merry Christmas to everyone online as well. Yo, Spankin! What's up, my brother? Some year-ending waters how I got my wife to say yes. Then 9 months later, they had a baby in September. You have to join Hollow Live, it's the law. Yeah, I wouldn't go all out with a model. Yeah. That's probably as far as I'd go. Just have a mango with Maximus's helmet on. Anyone have a Christmas tradition movie? For the last 7 years for me, I've been watching Gladiator every Christmas. Hence the reason why I'm saying Maximus's helmet. How's your holidays? Or how's your Christmas, brother Dram? I hope it was good too. Miss chilling with the boys. I know that Kevs hasn't been on much. Been bouncing between Prodigy and No Pixel. Looking forward to playing Hossie's server though. Die Hard is a Christmas move. I don't care what anyone else says. No, that's valid. That's valid. How's things on the warmer side of the world, bro? It's been raining, bro. One thing I like about the rain at this time of the year is everyone that's going to R&V. It's a big festival that happens down in Gisborne, my bro. And yeah, rain. And you're like, take that. So yeah, R&V is going on right now. I never went to one when I was younger. And believe it or not, chat, I actually hit some trips as well back then. You know, I was a bit of a party animal. Bit of law for you there. You know those ones and it's like a paper and you put it under your tongue? Those ones. But yeah, I'm old, I don't do that shit anymore. Was nice in Taranaki till Boxing Day, then it started pouring then. Oh, I bet. Lived in Gisborne growing up and snuck in 1 year. Oh, did you? Yo, what's up, Jason? Yo, thank you very much, Asterius64 for the Optimus Prime getting us started for the day, my brother. Thank you very, very much, my brother. Appreciate you. Thank you for using your Bezos dollars here too, brother. Also, I feel like I want to get back into Ark Raiders, because I haven't really been playing it that much lately. And I'm gonna be doing a YouTube video offline chat. What's it for? I'm gonna do what Zerka from Sidemen done. Like a few YouTubers or streamers have done it. Like make just a dud channel and pretty much stream till someone notices who you are. But I think I might do it through while playing Arc Raiders. Yo, thank you very much, Osty Smalls, for the Optimus Prime as well. My brother. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very, very much, my bros. And welcome through. If you're wondering what we're carving to, I should obviously explain this at the start. We are doing yet another Heitiki. This one is going to be made out of pine. And at the moment we're just shaping the arms and the legs, okay? So it's going to be pretty chill carving day for us. It's raining, and I've got to do laundry run after stream. So pretty much got to do that too. And yeah, we'll see how much progress we can get done today as well. Oh yeah, we're pretty much just chilling, tapping away into the new year, because it's coming down to days now. Anyone got any plans or got any goals for 2026, whānau? As I say that, I hope you achieve them all, okay? All of them. I've been procrastinating so hard on doing laundry today, bro. I don't even want to go do it, bro. Same. Cruise along until I graduate. Oh, when's graduation? Oi, Paku Wako! Thank you for the 5 bomb! If you got a gifted sub from the brother, please give him a thank you. Or better yet, glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. Thank you very much. Thank you, my brother. 2026 is the year of no more bullshit at work. Ready for reset. W. Early June, I think. Oh, okay. Sure. Yeah, my weekends are pretty much going to be busy right up until March. Wanted to stay the train on the course. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Brother Sturdy! My man. Hope you and the fams had a good Christmas, my brother. Hope you're looking after yourself as well, like always, my friend. How you been? How you been? Any socks for Christmas this year, my bro? Cheer, brother NK, my man. Hope you're looking after yourself too, my brother. Oh, it's good to see everyone again. Hope everyone had a solid break. We drove down to Texas to see my brother and nieces. Too much driving though. Over 2,000 miles an hour. God damn! I'm sure you played Life as a Highway while you went down. I'm gonna ride it all night long. Man, and I think 180 k's is far. Mo, that trip must have been scenic as though. That would have been scenic as, bro. Actual. How's your guys' Xmas? Oh, mine was not too bad, my bro. As I mentioned earlier, we took my wife and the kids to their grandparents or their grandfather's house. So the thing with my wife's family, he has 5 generations, and he's about to have a 6th, and that's my girl's great grandfather. So we went to go and spend Christmas with him. It was pretty much a quiet one, my bro, and I loved it. It was cool. Yeah, stubborn old bugger, bro. He's like 98 and still sharp as. Good evening, Phantom. How you doing? We have 4 generations at my Christmas, and they seem like, bro, hard. Even when we went, bro, it's like, fuck, there's a lot of people. So it's my he's Maori, but he's also half German as well. So they have German whakapapa too. So it's cool just for them to like sit around and just learn. Oh, level 3 hype train. Thank you very much, Fano. First time catching the stream. What's up, brother Phantom? Welcome through to the stream, my brother. My name is Brox. I am a traditional Maori wood carver. I've been carving since the age of 12. And now I'm 34. And this is what I normally do on my Twitch channel, my bro. From the odd gaming stream now and again. But genuinely, brother, this is what I love to do. Just showcase my culture. Whilst, at the same time showing the part of my culture that I love the most, which is Whakairo or Maori wood carving. I gotta get some housework done. All good, my bro. If I don't see you, have a good new year, brother. You all know I'm quite German here, bro. Yeah, so my wife's got a bit of heritage from Germany. Bit of heritage there. And yeah, obviously that carries over to the kids too. So this is what we're doing, but I want to just get a finished example for you guys to see, okay? Whoops. Hold up. Bloody voice. Yeah, I'll just get a finished example for you guys to see, so you can kind of get a gauge. Oh, come on, bloody voice. Get a gauge on what we're up to. Let me just leave that there and I'll go and get it. So this is one we've done so far. So that's a heitiki. Now particularly with this one, you can see that there's 2 different forms. So I wanted to capture both of them in the one, so you can see why one side is a bit different to the other. One is square, one is round. So this is what a hei tiki is. Right there. Merry Christmas there, Jim. So that's basically what we've done. Haven't sold it yet though. But yeah, this one was just for fun, just showcasing the tiki form as a whole. You'll see on the squarer side too, the design that's there is a bit squarer, so that's a more contemporary form of the taratara akai. That's what the design is called, as opposed to the traditional curvilinear style that you see. And I even took it a bit further as well. As you can see on the top arm here, the design itself has a middle ridge, right? So that's normally like how you would do the design here. On this side of the face, I decided to dig it out just to see what it would look like, and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, this is just me having a bit of fun, pretty much, with that one there. So yeah, I'm thinking I might put it on a base and then put it up for sale. But yeah, why I did the tiki, or why I wanted to do hei tiki, was just to familiarize myself with the form, because I haven't done one in years. So now I'm doing a second one, and this will probably be the last one I do on stream. This one that's underneath. Oh, 1111. Always seen that bloody number, bro. Yo, Delta! Thank you for the 5 bomb, bro. Thank you, good sir. I appreciate that. Thank you, good sir. Appreciate that. If you did get a gifted sub, please give the bro a thank you. Thank you, brother. Delta 584. So, with the tiki as well, as you can see, the form as a whole. So where does this form take inspiration from? Well, it actually takes inspiration from a newborn. So a newborn child, you know how they're born and they have the baby scrunch, and they normally have their head tilted to the side on an angle. This one will be on an angle here. This one's just another variation on how we put the head there. So it represents fertility as well. Sometimes we name our ancestors after our tiki. Can represent protection too. But majority of the time, yeah, fertility. So you'll see a lot of wahine in days of old used to wear tiki as well, along with the men who wore them, because they would have probably been one of their ancestors too. So that's the hei tiki there. And yeah, this is the one we finished a while back now, a couple weeks ago. So we're doing a second one now. The second one is actually a chat redeem. So in my Twitch chat, if you redeem 1,000,000 channel points, you get a free carving. So that's what we're pretty much up to now. Now this, with this timber here, the one underneath, it is a bit thicker. So I was thinking we do a double-sided one for fun. Hold up, our music turned off for some reason. I want to turn it back on. So yeah, I think we do a double-sided one for fun. So now with this timber too, you can see that it's definitely non-native. So this is rata here, this one, made out of the same timber as my mallet. That's my mallet there. Yo, Sturdy with the 5 bomb too. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, bros. I just hope you're enjoying the stream, eh? That's the main thing. Thank you to Sizzy and Mitch for the gifties too. Sorry, I'm just sorting out our music situation. So we have a bit of ambience going on. Now, if you did get a gifted sub from the bro Sturdy, make sure you give him a thank you too. Thank you very much, bros. Genuinely, man. Genuinely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, morning, Chris. How are you doing? So, just sorting out our music. With some good old Zelda. Say once again, this is what we've done. Hey, what's up, Rangi? This is the one we've done. 6-7, get him out of here. Don't you say that damn number. The only time I want to see 6-7 is if you're going to gift 67 subs. Nah. Oh, that bloody number, bro. Hey, offer to Frosty. Hope you had a good Christmas, brother. Well, I hope everyone had a good Christmas, to be honest. Got your babies there, cuz? Yeah, fuck. Because they would like watching Javier's videos too. I like watching Javier's videos as well, as a girl dad too. Father of 3 girls. I genuinely love his content. And the only time I want to see 6-7 is if it's 676. Yeah, so once again, hope everyone had a good Christmas, looking after you guys selves. Is that a bit loud? I know I'm all but the excitement hours playing 69 got replaced with 6-7. The age-old number got taken away twice. That is crazy. Hey brother, what you working on? Mr. Feels Good. We are doing a Heitiki, my friend. So at the moment we're just in the rough molding process. Before we get into the nitty gritty. Before we get into the nitty gritty, my friend. Thank you very much, the Pesk, for the roses, CD and Anne as well. Yeah, hope everyone had a good Christmas. For those that are tuning in now on TikTok. Good to finally be back on, getting some streams in before the end of the year. It is currently the 29th of December here. Dad of 3 girls, damn good on you. Yeah, bro, I'm a girl dad. They're gonna fucking hate me when they get partners when they're older. I am overprotective and I wear that on my chest, under my chest hair for good. Nā mihi o te wā Brox. Pēhea ana koe nā. Nā mihi nā te kau, kei te pai. Kei te pai ko tataoti tēnei tau, e nani me haere tonu nā mahi. No rest, just keep going. Percival, and CD, thank you for the SpongeBobs. Why is SpongeBob so popular now? Is there a movie coming out? What's up, Big Joe? You heard from Kev Settle Dream? I know he'd probably be busy chilling with the fams. Oh, there's a new movie. Fun. I thought SpongeBob was over. They're still going. Far out. Yeah, I didn't get up too much for my Christmas other than chilling with the fams, and then I watched a shit ton of Burnt Peanut as usual. I've even gotten to the point where I know his song. I got bugs in my eyes, got bugs in my skin. Bugs in my eyes, got bugs in my skin. Got 2 quarts of fentanyl today. I got bugs in my eyes, got bugs in my skin. Yeah, I love his humor. He is funai. 6 a.m. in the Philippines. Shit the bloody bed, my bro. What you doing there 6 a.m. on a bloody holiday? Yo, Brother Black, thank you very much for the tiny dino, my friend. Standing out the porch with a shotgun, eh? Nah, it'll be with a scoped rifle watching. Nah, so I was catching up with my uncle, and he's got a new rifle. It's like one of those Winchester flintlock reloads. Bruh, it's so good, eh? It's like, fool, this is a good gun. It's a shame you're not gonna get anything with it. And he's like, boy, you watch out for me in hunting season. Brother, you gotta get out the house first to do that. What's up, Kovu? 50 people are peeking in, try introducing yourself. Hello to the 50 people peeking in. My name is Brox. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. I probably touch more wood than your husband. Or your wife. As you can see. Welcome. Chloe and CD and Ellen, thank you very much. I'm sorry about the wind today, guys. It's a bit shitty today. My shed has no walls. Carter bro, I'm so glad I found your channel. You seem to know a lot about your history and culture. Random question. What significance is it when someone outside your whānau is given permission to hunt on Māori land? My grandfather was allowed to hunt and would love to understand. I guess it all just comes down to getting permission, my bro. That's all it is. I mean, believe it or not, when I was 5, my grandfather didn't do that. He used to take me poaching all the time. But yeah, it's more of a respect thing, my bro, you know. You know, it's kind of like respecting someone's house instead of shitting on the front lawn, you know. That's pretty much the significance behind it. Just respect, brother. Yeah, okay, story time. Thank you very much to Mr. Huhan for the Optimus Prime. So believe it or not, there was this spot on the river where my grandfather used to take me. He used to park his Hilux up the road in this big bush, and he'd get me to sit up on the hill with the walkie-talkie while he was fishing down in the river. And I mean, times were hard back then. But yeah, he took me on these little excursions he did just to get some trout. And yeah, he used to just call out if you see a white truck, because the white trucks are like the Department of Conservation trucks. Just call them out and tell me if you see anyone, and then I'll hide away. And then yeah, they go, Koro, there's a white truck coming. And it was just a, you know, normal truck. Koro, there's another white truck coming. And he's going, fucking tell me if it's the right one. But you'll just see this guy. You'll just see this. So imagine a big bush, right? And you see a fishing rod hanging out the bush and quarter of a stomach. And then you just see like the line going like that. That was what my grandfather used to do. It's one of my most fond memories with him. Just doing that kind of stuff. And it was the funniest thing ever, just seeing this gut hanging out of the bush. Thank you very much, Adnan, for the roses as well. I saw that earlier. Had a concrete business and helped the local community build and repair homes. I think they must have been saying thank you. He would leave meat for them too. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's all it is, bro. Just saying thank you, my bro. How are you? I'm doing good. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like I'm going to be hitting my weight loss goal of losing 20 kgs before the end of the year. Although, you know, I'll be happy. I'm happy I've lost 16 so far. Oh, the wind is blowing our setup. How old are you? I'm 34. I'm 34, my brother. Okay. I'm just wondering how I'm going to do this one. 39? Oh, hello, brother. How can I start woodcrafting? Get yourself some tools within reason of price. If you don't have a bench, bro, when I was 13, I made my bench out of 3 wood pellets. So just put the top one, cut 2 two of the sections underneath to slot the other two in, and create your, like, hammer some boards in between to make it stable. So that's pretty much what I did. I just used what I could, brother. Hope you filled your cup with whānau time. I definitely did, my bro. Definitely. As I mentioned before, me and my family went to my wife's grandfather's house for Christmas. And he is my children's great-great-great-grandfather. Yeah. Yeah, so she's the 5th generation. Oh, my kids are like 5th generation to him. With the 6th on the way. So yeah, it was a pretty good Christmas. I mean, my cup was full with whānau time and some, bro. What made you take up woodcrafting? So my uncle was did Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving, and well, at the time, okay, story time? Question mark. Okay, let's tell the story, eh? So I'm just in a good mood. More decent. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm happy with the weight loss that I've lost, my bro. Do you use sandpaper? Not on all carvings. Not on all carvings. So a little story time. So, how I got into Whakairo. It all started back in Kura Kaupapa, which is kind of like primary school, Maori immersion primary school. And my dreams at the time were to be a zookeeper or work in the art department at Blizzard. This is when I just discovered Warcraft, by the way. And so, every Friday we would have these classes outside of our normal school curriculum. And Whakairo was one of them, Maori wood carving. And so I took it up just because, it was my uncle. My uncle was teaching this class and I was curious. And so I went into this class with nothing, no expectations. Pretty much just going into it out of curiosity. And then eventually, my uncle kind of sat us all down. We didn't touch a single tool on our first day. Not one. And so what happened, he kind of taught us about where Whakairo comes from. So Whakairo, the art form, actually comes from one of our gods within our culture called Tangaroa. Tangaroa is the god of the sea, and he's also the god of Maori wood carving as well. He was the first god to create the first meeting house, or fully carved meeting house, called Hui Te Anganui was the name of this meeting house. And fast forward to the time of man, with Rua Te Pupuke and Manuruhi are their names, these two individuals. There are different variations of this story that are told amongst the tribes of the country as well. But I'll tell 3. So basically it starts with them, in the time of man, they go fishing one day. And Rua Te Pupuke tells his son, make sure you do give the first fish back as an offering to Tangaroa, because you're about to, take his children to sustain us. And so, as a young person, whoosh, straight over the head, and out in one ear, out the other. And eventually they started fishing Rua Te Pupuke. The dad was catching fish after fish. He gave his first one back, and the son was catching nothing. And so his son asked, "Can I use your fish hook to try and catch something?" And he goes, "Yeah, you may, but just make sure you give the first fish back." And once again, didn't listen. So he caught his first fish, and he was like, "Oh, okay." Caught another, and this got the attention of Tangaroa. And so as he went to throw the line out one more time, as it landed in the water, went down, Tangaroa grabbed it and pulled him down. So he pulled him into the sea as utu, or paying the price basically for what he had done. Thank you, Les Paul, and also Garniski. So yeah, that happened to him. Hours go by, the dad wonders, "Where's my son? It's been a while." So he goes back to that same spot, and he notices he's not there, and he's gone. sees all the commotion going into the sea, and that's when he goes into the sea to go and look for him. And so, traveling through the sea looking for a sign of where he could find his son, until he sees something that looks a bit out of place at the bottom of the sea, and it was Hui Te Anganui, the name of that meeting house that I mentioned. And so he went down, swimming further and further, and as he got closer he noticed a lot of movement at the apex of the meeting house. So with our meeting houses, they'll either have a carved face or a carved figure, or sometimes both as well. In the case of the story, it was Manuruhi. He was becoming a fully carved tiko, or three-dimensional carving. His tongue was poking out, his eyes were rolling back because he was losing air. And Rua Te Pupuke had to come up with a plan on how to save him. So what he did, he waited until the dead of night. He went back down and he covered every entrance of this meeting house except the front door, because all Tangaroa's children took refuge in that meeting house in the night. And don't at me, this is what he did. He set that house on fire, and he stood out the front of the door waiting for Tangaroa's children to escape. And then eventually the first fish darts out, he slams it on the head so hard, we know it as the flounder today. The next one comes darting out of the meeting house. He breaks every bone in its limbs till they can't grow back. And we know that particular fish, or cephalopod, whatever you want to call it, as the wheke or the octopus. And many other children of Tangaroa escaped too. And then eventually he swam up to take his son off the meeting house. So he took him off, and as he was about to leave, he could hear voices in the meeting house as it was being engulfed by flames. And these two particular popo are mentioned throughout carving quite a lot, and their names are Wheri and Whera. So that's the name of these two particular carvings that were seen by human eyes that could speak. So unfortunately he wasn't successful, because our carvings do not talk to us today. They could not teach us, so he took all the carvings from the outside of the meeting house back to the surface. And that's pretty much the main crux of the story that I was told from my uncle, then later on told again by the master carver Clive Fugel at the carving school I went to. Other variations, instead of his son being kidnapped, there was his pet tui. Now this is a variation that comes from my tribe of Tuhoi. So a tui is a native bell bird, and that was the same thing, except for being mounted onto the meeting house. Same thing, got taken, and he could hear it calling out in the sea, rescued it the same way. And another variation from the coast is that instead of it being fully carved, it had patterns all along the front too. Are you Maori? Yes, I am, my friend. So that's pretty much the first story, or the first origin story of where Whakairo came from. So the first one my uncle taught us. And then eventually, it piqued my interest. I was like, whoa, okay. And the things that kind of solidified it for me was the next parts he started talking about. So in our culture, there was a big thing that happened to us, with the world wars that went on. So there's that big generation gap we have in our history. But even before that, there was this act of parliament passed called the Tohunga Suppression Act that was passed by parliament back in the day, and that made everything in our culture illegal. Yeah, they try to outlaw us, But in saying that, because our people are a big fuck around and find out kind of people, thankfully today, from the likes of Sāpirana Nata and a few others, that we have this gift today of our language. Everything within our culture is still alive today, even from the speed bumps that we have in our history, right to the one that I mentioned before, with the World War, so that big generation gap we had. A lot of the people they were supposed to teach the next generation didn't come back. So there was that kind of hurdle that our people had to get through as well. Luckily, not everyone went. Do you speak your language? Ai, kai te mōhio ki te kōrero Māori, koe nei taku reo tuatahi. Yes, I know how to speak te reo Māori. It's my first language that I ever learnt. Or heard when I was born. Hey, thank you for the disco ball, Brother Boyd. And yeah, when I heard that, so like even in my tribe too, one of our leaders said, don't go. Let them fight their own war, in kinder words. So a lot of our karaua back in Tūhoe didn't go, although some did go, in saying that too. I even have a great-great-grandfather by the name of Te Reiwhati Verko, who was too old to join the Maori battalion, but he was in the Boer War and, you know, a few others, but he ended up training the 28 Maori battalion as well. And so yeah, that was him. So those kind of things were the stories that sparked me up in my 12-year-old brain, like, this is what I want to do. At the time I was pissed off, you know, from, you know, what had happened to our people, because I never knew that. And then at the same time I got inspired to stop trying to pursue zookeeping and art department at Blizzard and fully just go into my culture. This was all at the age of 12. And then I found my calling, and I've been in it ever since 12, and now I'm 34. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. Like, I owe a lot to my uncle for doing that for me. That's why I take Whakairo very seriously. I take his legacy very, very seriously too. Even more so now that he's gone. Like I always mentioned, the last conversation I had with him was at my wedding. We just sat down next to each other, just looking out in the distance, and he put his hand over me and he said, "I'm proud of you, my boy." No, all good, uncle. It's always been for you. And yeah, that was unfortunately the last conversation I had with him. I take his legacy very seriously, while adding to my own as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the story of how I got into Whakairo, Māori wood carving. I'll put it on YouTube later if you want to watch it. But yeah, pretty much I owe a lot to him. Even my cousins used to say, you know, the carvers that he's taught and that are still carving today are more proud. We were more of the apple of his eye than his own kids. Watch your YouTube, it's just Brox. And my other YouTube channel is Brox Plays, but that's where I put gaming stuff. But yeah, for all the like carving stuff, I'm gonna put it on my main channel. I try and get 1 subscriber a day. So if you want to go through and subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so. Okay, let's get back to work, eh? Thank you very much for all the love while I was telling that story too. Uncle was definitely proud. Yeah, it's just a shame. He passed away very young, very young. And it was out of a way how I found out too. So my cousin, or my little brother, we were brought up like siblings. He messaged me saying, "Bro, Papa's gone." So we used to refer to him as Papa or Uncle. You know, what do you mean by that? And then he eventually told me, and yeah, it was a gut-wrenching feeling at the time. The nurse still spoken. Yeah, our language is very much still spoken, my friend. As I can relate to how you feel about how much your people have suffered. Are Maoris a minority in NZ? Yeah, we are now. Pretty much, bro. My grandfather told us a story of the Maori soldiers and he fought. Apparently the Maori soldiers used traditional strategies like rushing. Yeah, so some of the tactics that they did was that, bro. Like even in the trenches, bro. They used to do the haka a lot at night, eh? Just to like imitate that there was a shit ton of them, eh? But in a sense, that's what the haka was used for in old times. Thank you very much, Ryder, mate. What's up, my brother? Appreciate the follow too, my bro. What's up, Denzel and Bazinga? Thank you very much for the gifties on the talk. I followed you when you asked someone to give me. Hey, welcome through, my bro. Yeah, it's almost been 6 years now, I think, for our anniversary stream chat. I'm gonna carve in the OG spot. So yeah, I gotta start figuring out what we're gonna do for our 6-year celebration as well. Hi from Utah. What's up, Dominic? How you doing? 79 people are peeking in. Break the ice and start interacting. Hello to the 79 people that are peeking into the TikTok stream. That's kind of cheeky that TikTok does that, eh? They're like, hey man, these guys are lurking in your stream. You should say something to them. Ciao, Brother Tomo. How are you? Tangaroa took my little brother. Death habit and was going against what we were taught and believed. Oh, true. So even like what old mate said back in the day, I don't even know if I'm allowed to say his name. The guy with, you know, the mo. Some of his words that he uttered was, if I had the Maori battalion, I would have won. I was like, ooh, that's scary. Yo, what's up, brother? Your woodwork is top tier. 3GH, you brother Jacko. What's up, Saxon? How are you, brother? I'm just wondering how we mold this leg, eh? Because the way this hat's gonna go, there's gonna be a hand on the leg. So there's the main finger there. Then we'll put the other two here. I'm just wondering if I mold the leg first, and then we put the hand in later. Well, I was the one that Ali, stop lying, because the person that actually did it is still in the stream today, and he's a VIP in my Twitch channel. No one likes a liar, my friend. Do not lie. Lie and make you dig a little. Lie and make you dig a little. Lily Jumper, thanks, brother. Is Maori culture and language declining? No, not at all, bro. Not at all, brother. I'd say it's only growing even more. Yeah, I'm still wondering how we're going to do this arm. Yeah, far from it, brother. It's only getting stronger. Like I always say though, our culture is much more loved outside of our own country than in. Doing a patu with pine. Nice. Practice makes perfect, my bro. That's the main thing, eh? Just keep practicing. Can't get better if you're not doing it. Yes, pine is soft. Very soft. Best way to combat that, sharp chisels, machine tools, or if you want to get a bit nitty gritty, use some terps. How do you plan out your pieces and start with a blank wood? You sketch on paper first? Oh, with this one, no, just put it straight on the wood, brother. Kinda just, you know, making sure I stick with a traditional shape or form, and then yeah, just put it straight on the wood. Kinda with this one too. I didn't really draw this one out either. I just mapped it out in my head while looking at the timber and then just went for it. And was there a cyclone? Oh, it's just windy and rain. Yeah, so that was yeah, no planning for this one, as you can see. Just mainly just for fun. Do you guys face racism? Yeah, just like every other indigenous race. It's not foreign. It's not foreign to us. Remember to stay humble. Never forget to be myself, my bro. Will never change for anyone, brother. Okay, I'm wondering if I should round you. Maybe I should. Just looking for a round. I was there alone, watching people get it on with each other. No more lonely nights for me. 2026, man. That's crazy. It's almost here, guys. 2026 is almost here. Tupuna. Yeah, what about it? Who's my tupuna? Have you allowed viewers? Nah, I don't let people come and see me, brother. Sorry, I'm you know, just trying to protect my privacy and my family. Only let those within my inner circle come over and see me. But genuinely, my bro, you know, I can't really be doing that as a father. It doesn't feel right. Protect your peace, what? Exactly. Remember, privacy is power. You don't need to tell the whole world what you're up to. What was that? Just do you. Stay in your lane and just do you. That's all. That's what I did this year and it was very good. From Ontario, Canada. Hey, my friend. Cooper, thank you for the 2026. Nah, you're all good, Oblix. I'm just answering questions, my bro. I'm all good. All good, brother. Yeah, that's what I say to everyone, eh? Just, you know, move in silence. You don't need to tell everyone your moves. Just yourself. light of recent events, I think, yeah, we don't join the org. Fucking hell. They win org of the year, then they split up. Oh, and it's ratchet. I don't really know the context of the phase stuff. Yo, what's up, Clumper? Oh no, Facebook, yeah, bro. Good on Facebook, eh? Oma humarai. Kia ora, where's that? There we go. So with this army, we're gonna have to leave it a bit flat. Like just along the top here, because this arm's going to actually be in front on that side. Oh, and Hastings. Kia ora. Do so this arm will drop behind this leg here, but it'll pop out on the other side. Okay, how long did it take you to learn woodcrafting? I'm still learning. To me it takes a whole lifetime to learn something, you know. One can never truly master something because, you know, there's always something new you could learn every day. It's just a continuous cycle, my opinion. But in saying that too, there are some really decorated Whakairo artists out there who are masters of their craft. Maori culture and language is definitely one of the kaitaias, a population of 6k. We now have 4 kaupapa. That's mean. You believe in God, only my own, brother. I don't believe in another people's God, sorry. Or ones they were born here on a different boat to mine. I only believe in my own people's gods, brother. This is just an inch. How many different chisels do you use to finish a carving? Sometimes I use 6, sometimes I use 2, my bro. Kinda depends. Yeah, it all kinda depends, brother. Thank you, Braden, for the roll. Appreciate you, my bro. The video, the comment. I love that the time difference between BC and NZ is big and small at the same time. Wait, what's the time for you over there, my bro? Great weather. Yeah, pretty shiitake mushrooms today. But, you know, you can't let that stop me from getting work done. Hello, brother. Good morning from the Philippines. Good morning, my friend. Pretty much after this stream chat, I gotta go and do laundry runs. Watching from the UK now, I know it's late there, for sure. ora from Taranaki. Tēnā koe from Newfoundland, Canada. Kia ora. 11:30 for you. True. Hey, what's up, Vanguard? How you, my brother? 11 p.m. where I'm at UK time. The UK. Yeah, I don't want this side to be too flat. You know, I want it to have a decent roll on it. But we gotta try and get it down to that line without taking too much off. Have you gone down the rabbit hole of the origins before Hawaii? Nah. Oh, my Hawaii started here, bro. Tūhoi. Or half of it did anyway. Kia ora, it's 11 p.m. here in Ghana. Oh, kia ora, bro. What do you guys call? So, the proper name for New Zealand is Aotearoa. It's original name, but you know, there's people out there who say that's not its name, that's not the Kiwi name. But it's funny. It's funny coming across those people that hate our culture and they call themselves Kiwi. Why? Because Kiwi is a Maori word. They're the funniest people ever, bro. Joe Thievin. Yeah, cheer my bro. I hope you had a good Christmas too, brother. My man, my man. Hope you're looking after yourself too, my bro. What are you carving? Oh, we are doing another heitiki. This is going to be the last one for a while. I can't spell. It's alright, I can't too, Miss Brownie. Yeah, I'm from Ruatahuna as well. Haven't gone back in a while. I mean, there's no need to really. Weird up there now. Down the road and Topol with the fire, they always drop. Oh, true, my bro. Hey, too much, my brother. Yeah, I've not seen your name in a while, my bro. The only true. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Thank you, my bro. Thank you to everyone using their Bezos bucks here. Or Jeffrey's Bezos bucks. Hey, what I want, true. I hope you're doing good, brother. I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. I'm happy. I'm healthy. No, I can't complain. My kids are happy. Can't wait for them to go back to school. Fucking over them and their shit now. 7 AM in the morning, my two big girls are fighting. The fuck you fighting for? Just cause? Just cause. What? But yeah, still love them to bits, man. What type of carvings are there? I've seen a lot, but looked into it myself. Well, within my culture. What's up, HT drifting? Yeah, a bit of a drifter. I'm so gutted I missed out on the drift event for Mad Mike, bro. That would have been so cool to go to. Still a lot of timber there, man. Jeepers. Maybe when we roll it back that way, we'll lose a bit more. Hello from Scotland. Hey, brother. They spent 3 minutes outside. Bro, they'll love it. When did Maoris come from? Is it true that they originated from Taiwan? To the theory of the white coat. You know, scientists. But to our people, we come from a place called Hawaii. Hawaii nui, Hawaii roa, Hawaii pāmamau. Hi Mr. Brooks, do you have any advice for an artist on how to avoid being a perfectionist? Embrace it. It's just who you are. I have. Just gotta embrace it, man, because that's, you know, how we are. Thank you for the rose. This man loves his flags. How long you been doing this? Since I was 12. I'm 34 now. Never met a passionate flag person in on a live stream before. What kind of wood do you use? Majority of the time it's native, my bro, or I'll just use anything. Hello from Hawaii. Aloha kakahiaka. How you doing? How you doing? I know it'll be late over there, eh? Hey, Aussie Car Hub 25. Yes, it is I. How are you doing, my friend? She's getting a bit chilly now. Hello from Adelaide. Oh, hello, brother. One of my mates lives in Adelaide. And you know, all this time I thought Adelaide was up north and it's actually next to Melbourne. Yo, Ty and Rocky, thank you very much, brothers. Where are we? Yeah, my nana is born in... Oh, she's from Tahiti. That's a place I'd love to go to one day. Just to see where our people, you know, stand on the land our people stood as well. Even in Rarotonga, where all the wakas made bay before they made their way down here. That is a bucket list thing for me that I want to do too. Thank you, Mania. Did I say that right? NZ used to be in Australia. I don't know about that one. Lucky we ain't if it's true, because fucking Queensland. Up the Maroons. I don't know about that one though. Eli and MJ, thank you very much for the roses. Morning, Adobo Chicken. How you doing? It's giving Oz Zealand London Olympics vibes. That claim. I remember that. Is this Zelda? I'm just playing Zelda off of YouTube, my bro. Just like a complete thing. Thank you for your advice. Gives me a lot to ponder on embracing being. Yeah, it's just something you have to embrace, man. Like for me, I'm the same. So like, you know, why get rid of it when you should just embrace it? That's how I've always been, brother. Especially when it comes to Whakairo. So instead of getting rid of it, just keep going. Guess it'll help you get better over time, eh? How long you had to claim for? Oh, I don't know. A while. I don't really know. Can't really think of an exact date. So nice speaking to you guys. Something to take care, gentlemen. Have a good one, brother. Yeah, I don't know about this country being part of NSW. That don't make damn sense. Dude is still a legend, and you are still Martin _27, my brother. How are you? Ruben, thank you for the roses, my bro. Much love, brother Martin. What are you doing? Touching wood in the morning. Touching what? Wood. Not what you think it is, you dirty mind. Dirty little bastard. What are you making? At the moment, we're molding a tiki or hay tiki. So eventually, this one will look something similar to this. Okay. So it'll look something similar to that. That one there. Eventually, you know? Eventually. Woo. Oh. Hey, what's up, Ezekiel? What's up, my brother? What's up, Mo, as well? Where are we? Jose over on YouTube, kia ora. Hello again from London, brother. What's up, Foggy? My brother. Would you rather eat a bean-sized man or a man-sized bean? I don't know. Why would I do that anyway? What's up, Schwaben? What's up, Yusha? Hey, how was your Christmas? It was good, my brother. Pretty much just spent it with family as usual, brother. Hope you had a solid Christmas too, my bro. We're just, yeah, back on the tools, brother, getting some molding done. At the moment, I'm just making sure I keep an eye on this side. This side's going to be a bit different to the other. Oh, King Kong! Oh, that was cool. Yo, nameless face in the crowd. Thank you for the gorilla.
We did not start this war.
Yo, thank you for the gorilla, bro. Damn, that was cool. Man, they always got cool animations, bro. Thank you very much to Sunny for the rose too. Olsen Yoshi, thank you for the Optimus Prime over on Twitch as well. Where is he? Thank you for the gorilla, brother. Damn, that was a clean animation, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you, brother. Hey, there he is. Nameless, thank you very much, bro. Holy, I've never seen one of those before. You have 24 hours to consume either one. Ah, it's good. Consume your mum. Nah. JK, I'll do your nan. I'm joking. Just give me 2 seconds now. Sorry, I'm a bit of a smart ass too, so yeah, bear with me. Keep being you is the best thing you gave me. Hey, always, brother. That's to everyone else as well, man. The only thing that I'll ever change, brother Nameless, is my undies, you know? I'll wait 2 days max. If I go to the gym, those bastards gotta come off after the shower, you know? They must not stick around. They must be washed. Kia ora, Manaki. How are you? Thank you very much, Nameless. Nah, thank you for that, brother. Not sure what, you know, in terms of how much that is, but I appreciate the gorilla, bro. Sick bloody animation too. What are you doing, bro? We're just molding and carving, brother. I just want to get a couple more streams in before the new year. And then me and my wife are going to go and watch Avatar on New Year's Eve. For the first time in about 7 years, we're deciding to just have a New Year's with us, with just us two, our own company. Yeah, so we haven't had our own New Year's for ourselves, you know, enjoyed each other's company for New Year's in like, yeah, 7 years pretty much. Jay, please, thank you very much for the roses, my brother. If you did, that would be above. How's the health journey? Good, my bro. I'll be honest, I don't think I'm going to be losing 20 kgs, my bro. Because, well, there's 2 birds fighting on a tree, hold up. Okay, they're done. Anyway, yeah, I probably won't hit the 20 kg mark just because, yeah, I enjoyed myself for Christmas Day. I may have had raw fish, some powers as well. I kept it healthy though, but I've lost 17 or 16 kgs so far and I feel good and I'm going to carry it on anyway. Pretty much straight after Christmas Day I went back on diet. Thank you, Stretch. Holy Stretch. Thank you very much for the roses, brother. And R. The word stretched, when I think of it, makes me think of yes. Yeah, it feels good though. Like, I've started running. I want to try and get into running more. I'm going to try my first High Rocks class tomorrow. I'm freaking nervous, man. But I'm going to the beginner one, eh? I don't want to do any like 6-week challenge things because they end up, because let's be honest, bro. I don't know if anyone else has heard this. You know how people when these gyms do these 6-week, 12-week, 8-week challenges as a group, you know they're getting down and slamming at the end of the year party. Eh? I've heard it. I've heard F45 does it. I've even heard a couple gyms here do it. I'm staying away. Stretch, thank you very much for the 350 roses, bro. Yeah, I've heard about that. Yeah, no, thank you. No, thank you. Where did you get that hoodie? Oh, this got sent to me by Spark. They're a phone company here. Back when I went to one of their esports events. That your mallet on the wall? That's the big one. So this is just for light molding, designing. This one here used to be bigger, but I had to shave it down for customs purposes to go take it to Australia. So earlier in the year I went to, well, a couple months ago now, I went to Australia to carve a PC panel. So yeah, that was a first for me too. So I went to do that. Time of the year's mental a month before Xmas. Yeah, oh, bro, I felt good, eh? Yeah, so this mallet used to be about that thick. So I took about that much timber off. So I used to be heavy as, but that's how I like my heavy moulding mallets, nice and heavy. I mean, I can still mould with this one easily. Can you dance? No. I cannot, my friend. Little Ghost, thank you for the hearts as well. Do you get attacked by a spider when you went to Australia? No. No one really tried, or anything tried to attack me. I met a furry. They said hello to me and they were a fan. I thought that was pretty interesting. My only question to them was, how do you not get hot in there? That was yeah, that was my only question to them. And they went, oh, you just handle. I was like, oh, look at that. I don't know how furries do it in a hot place, man. Wear those thingies. But hey, all props to them. A furry. F-U-R-R-Y. Do you enjoy coming? Yeah, Aussie's all good. I went to Melbourne. I prefer Melbourne over Sydney. Sydney was yuck. Too busy. But yeah, I've been to PAX twice. Probably going to go back next year too. But this year I went to PAX as an exhibitor. Pretty much. Hope your Christmas was nice. Thanks for continuing to stream and spread positivity. Cheer, brother Sam Bush Wookie. It was a good Christmas, my bro. A nice chill one with my in-laws, pretty much. Just being shout out to the furries backbone of our society. Yeah, I didn't see anything. A lot of people that do that stuff catch a lot of flack. I mean, people want to be there, let them. I think people get too invested in other people's lives, eh? You gotta say something. Sup, Jacques, my brother? How you been though, Bush Wookie? You're the Twitch streamer. Hello, my friend. How are you? You do woodworking? I have, my brother, since I was 12. Oh, and I dropped our block. Yeah, since I was 12, my bro. Bro, these castaway pants are very comfortable. I just call them castaway pants because they look like them. I forgot I bought them, eh? I seen you all over ice show speeds reacting. Wait, did he? Surely not. He'd be too busy to do react videos, right? Isn't he going to Africa soon? I saw he got a Fortnite skin too. That was pretty cool to watch. I watched a little bit of it. Wait, really? Did Speed watch a video of me? Oh, jeez. What did he reckon? I was gutted I never got to meet him when he was in Rotorua. I was scheduled to meet him, but I had something come up that day. So I had to kind of shift my focus to that. Thank you for the 70 roses. Another chance for a rose? Ah, it's all good. Yeah. It is what it is, brother. I don't mind. Something I want to try and focus on next year is getting some collabs in. I'd like to collab with S-Fun. That'll be fun. Oh, it was pretty windy before, brother Tees. Hope you had a great Xmas. I did. I hope you did as well. What's a kendama? What's that? Is that a weapon? Yeah, what is that? You gotta tell me what it is, brother. Because man's not knowing. Japanese skill. Oh, okay. When you say toy, are you saying like what kind of toy? Oh, shiza. What up? Ooh. Always nice to have a drama-free. Oh, yeah, bro, same. Always love me a drama-free holiday, my brother, for sure. So I'm not actually forcing the chisel away. I'm just holding the angle. I don't actually, you know, apply pressure to it at all. Oh yeah, I seen that. Yeah, I seen that. Those thingies. Alright. Body. Try and get this molded all round. Oh! What is going on? Holy Twitch, thank you for the 111 subs. What is going on here? What did I do? Thank you very much for the 111 subs. Please, to those that may have got one, give Twitch a thank you. Damn! What did I do? Oh, I have no idea what I did to deserve that. Thank you very much to those that are saying thank you for their sub as well. My goodness! Thank you very much, Twitch. Holy guacamole, bro! Just a few gifts from for the holidays from us. Thank you for being a part of the community. Always, always. Thank you for having me. For sure. Oh my days. Hope you have a good rest too. I know you guys are a bit behind us, but we're about 2 days away from the new year. Hope everyone at the Twitch staff have a good New Year's too. Look after yourselves. And yeah, slap the Christmas ham or slap the ham, something. From me, as you know, Brox, Twitch ambassador of Aotearoa New Zealand. The first, by the way. Shout out to the king in the south, Rudism, who is also our second Twitch ambassador as well. Have a great day. You have an even better day. Thank you very much. My goodness, that is a lot. Oh my days. Oh my days. Let me get back to work, okay? Thank you very much, Twitch. That was not on the bingo card today. How much did that put us up by? I'm guessing like 700? Thank you to those that are saying thank you for their sub from Twitch too. Hey, brother Luke, thank you very much for the 52 months, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh man, how nice. Because they gifted me 100 subs on Christmas too. Thank you very much to Havoc for the 70 roses. And Mr. Baristo Official for the 64, and Mia with the cat. Yeah, we had Twitch here. Hey, Valeria. How was your Christmas, brother Luke? Hope you had a good one, my bro. Yeah, wonder which Twitch staff did that. Damn. Thank you for the Sakuras, HJ. So to those that are wondering, I'm streaming on 4 different platforms today. Well, it's kind of like the norm here now. Oh, there's a lot of lovely staff members at Twitch. Mary, Kawaii Guy. I'm not very vocal in the Twitch ambassador chat, but I do see it go off a lot. I keep you on in the background while I study, as long as you are getting your studies done well, young Padawan. One must complete studies before getting sticky. Hi mate, how you been, brother Scamp? I've been good, brother. I've been good. Yo, King Tiger, my brother. Good to see you, my bro. Good to see you, brother. Straight up. Hey, gentlemen. Thank you for the hearts. Mikey with the roses as well. Are you Maori? Yes, I is. Hi, this is my first stream. How's everyone doing? Hey, what's up, brother Evan? Hope you're doing good, brother. Welcome to the stream. I don't know if this is your first Twitch stream, but if it is, man, welcome to Twitch. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I'm a gamer as well. I've been gaming since Sonic 1, my bro. The majority of the time, this is what I love to do on my channel, brother. Showcasing my culture and the cultural carving styles of my people as well. Welcome through, friend. What's up, bear bro? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Although, it is almost time for my third meal of the day. Oi! Kuro! Hey, thank you for the 47 months, my brother. Thank you, man. Max News, bro, even I got this. Oh, nice, brother King Tiger. I got discharged from on 18. I have to go back in. Damn. Is this like for more tests and everything? Just been on a few games. The boys. Ah, all good. Did you win? Is this a hate tiki? Yeah, we're doing another one, my bro. Most likely be the last one. Cherry, brother Jack. That's yours, my bro. Oh, damn, brother. Thank you very much, Donko, for the Optimus Prime. Someone gifted me a sub. It was most likely Twitch, my bro. They just came in here and dropped 111, my bro. Crazy. We gotta get some clips of that too. A clip of that and the one when they gifted on Christmas. Do you have any hobbies or interests aside from, you know, Whakairo? Obviously, you know, a bit of a gamer as well. When I can. It's a bit harder these days as a father. You know, you don't have all the time in the world, and the only time you can get jam is in those dad hours late at night. But games I enjoy playing, brother, is World of Warcraft. Always will be a game I enjoy. On the classic vibes at the moment, getting ready for TBC. Wasn't going to play it, but a lot of my flatmates hit me up asking, or my old flatmates, hit me up if I wanted to jam, and I went, oh, you know what, let's run it. Started playing a little bit of League again, Dota as well. I started playing Dota because of Largo. Someone from here voiced them, and he says a lot of the slang here as well, so Largo became one of my favorite characters. Horde. I'm playing Horde. I mean, Horde's my favorite, but I do have ally characters. Been a kind of rough Christmas time for me because my 5-year long. Yeah, we split up just before Christmas, but I hope everything will be good soon. Zaja Jomolo. That sucks to hear, man. Genuinely from me to you. In the meantime, I hope this, you know, points you in the right direction. It's all good to feel the way you are, you know. When you are ready, this new year, this next chapter in your life is where you focus on yourself now, brother. It's not going to be easy, but times of change are never meant to be easy. That's how these moments define who we are as a person. So take your time. And remember, brother, one step at a time. It's not a race. Like I always say, We're not Wolverine. Can't heal overnight, eh? If this stream in any way, shape or form provides you comfort, my bro, you keep coming back. Alright? That's what I want from you and anyone that's finding it hard at the moment. Make sure you come back to the stream so we can chat. You spending there my birthday in hospital? Oh, 10th of Jan, my bro. Definitely gotta fire up a... Oh, 10th of Jan. Fuck, I'm gonna be away. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's all good, brother. You know, I don't have all the answers in the world, my brother. Just someone that cares. Just someone that cares, brother. I want to see anyone that's part of this community, you know, succeed in life. One of my favorite things about you guys when you come back to the stream and you tell me the W's that you have made in life. That's one of the best things about being Brox to me. Okay. Hold on, chat, just trying to get this out. I'm on the North Island. It's mine and my wife's 2nd year anniversary of our wedding, chat. Got to figure out what to do. And it's also our relationship anniversary too. Far out. Yo, Andy! Thank you very much for the 100Ks. How you been, Andy? Nice to see you again. Gee, hope you had a good Christmas, Andy. Oh, there's an ambulance out the front. Wonder who it's for. Kia ora, Trojan. What's up, Buster? Doing alright, jumping around on a few of the streamers to drop some. Ah, thank you very much for the aroha. Ah, thank you, Andy. Hope you had a beautiful Christmas, or a good Christmas nonetheless. It is good to see you. And I hope you have a better new year too, as we close in on the end of 2025. How are you, Brother Brox? How has this year treated you? It has been a busy one. Definitely, brother. You know, there's been a lot of love. There's been a lot of loss. There's been a lot of ups. There's been a lot of downs. So all in all, it has been a balanced year. Watching my kids grow up for yet another year, brother. With an addition to mine and my wife's latest bubba. She is now 8 months now. So yeah, she's trucking along too. She's crawling now. She's about to have 6 teeth. All at 8 months. So she's yeah. She's not mucking around compared to her sisters when they were her age. Jade Tyler. Hey, Macoon, wish you nothing but the best for the new year as well. Have a good one, eh? Have you ever played rugby? Not in a long time, my bro. Very long time. In my much younger period of my life, that's for sure. But yeah, these days, brother, the only competitive thing I've done in my life in the last couple of years was powerlifting. But I stopped doing that ages ago too. I don't want to start getting into jiu-jitsu. Been doing a little bit of it here and there, but I'm kind of just following suit with one of my daughters. She's really in it at the moment. Just try and support her in that journey too, and you know, by doing it myself as well. Tries to tee up with me, and it's good. It's good making her stronger. Thank you for the car pies. TikTok account with no name. Kia ora. Not sure if you remember me, but I asked about having a kid. She's 4 weeks old tomorrow. I do remember someone saying they're having a baby. She's 4 weeks old tomorrow. Yes, I do remember that actually. Advice for a new father or an expecting father, I think. Oh, that's cool, man. How's it been? I hope it's been, you know, it's been an experience of a lifetime for you in the last 4 weeks. And I hope it's been good, brother. Her name's Eve. Oh, congratulations, man. How have we been, brother? You and your partner got his a routine, or you still just going through all of it? That's cool, brother. Good on you, man. My wife is having a baby. Do you have any tips on being a good father? Just being present. Being present. There's another bro in the chat right now that's been a father for about 4 weeks. Best things you can do as a father, my bro, is just be present majority of the time. Be there for your wife. As fathers, you know, we take the Night's Watch. Yes, that is a Game of Thrones reference. Where, you know, we as the father and as the husband or as the partner thrive in the evening watch. Just, you know, making sure baby's okay. The only thing our wives should be doing is waking up to feed. Then they give baby to us. For us to burp, change, and put back to sleep. That's pretty much the routine that I did with all 3 of my girls. And because, you know, the way I see it, you know, our significant others sacrifice their body, their mental health as well, their physical appearance, in order to bring our child into the world. And that's the one thing that I always try and do, brother, is just be present for my wife when she gives birth. Because the one thing I always keep in my mind, the one thing that I do not want my wife to get was baby blues, bro. So just being present majority of the time, my bro. Hey, the lead guy, thank you very much for saying thank you to Twitch. Nah, you're good, Harry. Do your thing. Have a good day. What's up, TikToker? How are you? Well, I gotta head out and get some sleep. All good, man. Have a good sleep. Offer to be an ecologist trying to put this world back together where I can. W, man. Good for you, brother. Also, I have to say, not nearly as hard as people make it out to be. It can be, but it's always manageable. Yeah, brother. 100%, bro. 100%. There's always, you know, always manageable, my bro. It was definitely, like with our baby, like when she was born this year, pretty much did the same. Whoa, Lithuanian guy. He's strong because he's from Lithuania. Thank you very much for the 5-bomb, brother. If you got a gifted sub from Lithuanian guy, please give our man a thank you. Thank you, brother. Team, thank you very much for the gifties as well. And I tell you what, what's with the noises whilst they sleep? It's so loud, bro. They're loud as, eh? Especially when they mutter, eh? Thank you very much, my bro. Lithuanian guy. So pretty much after stream today, I'm going to have to do some laundry runs. I'm just grateful that the laundromat is right next to the gym. So that's where I'll be for about an hour. When I heard the voice, I knew instantly, hey, my brother. Thank you for the $1,000 comment. Appreciate you, Effery. Would be nice though, but hey, I'm not trying to get it. Bro's the best. What's up, brother Finn Dog? KK, thank you very much for the heart. And Sammy with the rose. How you been, Uchi? Thank you very much to, what is that? Is that a cat? Oh no, it's kanji. Thank you very much. I don't know what it says though. What do you want in life? Just a home for my family, brother. Just a homestead. Just a house for us, and I'd say, you know, I've achieved my dreams in life. And make some new ones. But yeah, that's probably one thing that I'm striving for in life. It's just a forever home for me and my family. Preferably an office that I can lock the door and then my kids can't come in while I yell my brains out while I'm gaming and streaming. A shed with 4 walls. Definitely, that would be a game changer. Faustina and MK, thank you very much, man. How was Christmas? Christmas was good, my bro. Just a relaxing one, bro. Chill as with my wife's family. Went to go take the kids and the baby. Had to go and take the baby to meet her great grandfather. And she was locked on him for family photos the whole time. I gotta say, man, like, not just with her grandfather, but with the older generation meeting, you know, the babies. Even when it's a random encounter in town, there's some of the special moments in life that you see a lot of elderly interacting with babies. It's the cutest thing ever, man. Desire, thank you very much for the glow sticks. Yeah, I'll never forget those moments. Like, even with my daughter, like, this old nanny, this old lady come up and was talking to the baby, and she started getting jumpy and excited. I always appreciate those little moments. Greetings from Mexico. What's up, Death Dealer? Hey, much appreciated, my brother. Right back at you though, my bro. And to everyone in the chat as well. Tomorrow there may be no carving stream. Might be dropping my children off at their grandparents. Because me and my wife are planning on having a New Year's for ourselves, which we haven't had Since for 7 years. Malta. Why does that name sound familiar? Because there's a streamer I know that lives in Malta and his name is Joker. Yeah, he lives in Malta. Glad you can talk and work at the same time. Yeah, all good, brother. Yeah, me and my wife are gonna go watch the new Avatar. I've already seen it. My big girl's a real big Avatar fan, just like her dad. So this will be my second time watching it. Boxer, don't catch one of your streams again. I wish nothing but the best for you. What do you mean again? You'd try and catch one again though, right? Are you going on holiday? What are you thinking for the roses? Well, I hope you're going on bloody holiday. Brock, should I get Mommy ASMR membership or nah? No. Go and get steak. I was about to say takeaways, but then I thought of that guy that's been going around on TikTok. You know, the one that eats everything and steals Uber orders? I've been seeing him a lot. And I've got to say, bro, that's not healthy. Bro, is speed running life. Kia ora, bro. I'm keen to get into Whakairo when I move back home from London. Oi! Do you have any recommendations on learning the basics? Could I perhaps? So you could probably either apply at a wānanga, depending where you are, or try your luck at the carving school I went to, Wānanga Whakairo Rākau o Aotearoa, NZ Maki at Te Puia, although you know, openings for the school have closed now. But there's your options there. Wānanga has a really good course too. The Wā. Definitely give that one a go. Hey KJ Kid, what's up my brother? Sorry, chat. When we were Christmas shopping as well, I saw this Lego set that I really wanted to do on stream, and I saw the price and I didn't want to do it anymore. Either be back in Rodas or Gizzy. Oh yeah, I mean, even in Gisborne they got Toi Haukura, which is another art school there. Then here in Rotorua there's Wānanga or Te Puia. Te Puia will be a bit of a hard one, but you know, no harm in applying. A man with no haters. Oh, I got some, you'd be surprised. Like last night I streamed and the guy came into my stream saying, I'm glad you didn't win that stream award. It's like, bro, who hurt you? Is that a Polytech? The Wānanga? Nah, so NZ Maki or Te Puia, it's a tourism place. like it's a the carving school itself is a tourist attraction too, but at the same time within the school there are carvers that are there to learn, upskill as well. So my reasonings why I went there, I wanted to upskill, learn more, and pretty much you're paid to learn while you're there. And then Wainanga o Aotearoa, and then you got Toi Haukura down in Gizzy, which is another like Maori art polytech, if you want to call it that. I believe what it's called. How you been, brother Rubes? Jam up, bro. What's up, Zingwa Ranger? Thank you very much, Sizzy, for the roses as well. Alright, let's get this bump out. There we go. There's a bit too much shoulder going on over there. I don't want to go anywhere past that point for now. How are you, Brox? What's up, Musubi? I'm doing good. Oh, spam Musubi. Must try that one day. Maybe for a cheat day. So to those that are wondering what we're doing, we're just doing another tiki, or hey tiki. This one's a bit different, however, it's a chat redeem carving. So someone redeemed 20, oh not 20, a million channel points on the stream. And yeah, if you do that, you get yourself a free carving. I'm thinking of upping it for next year, eh? Ooh, what is that aroma I can smell? Yeah, I'm thinking of upping it. What's up, War Dogs? Hey, thank you, brother. Hope you had a good Christmas too, my bro. I'm on the North Island. MD, thank you for the rose. It's that bump right there. Knives on? Fuck no, I don't do that bullshit. I ain't a slave to that shit. Yeah, I'm not a slave to that stuff. Oi! Talon Timmy, thank you very much for the 14 super. Is it a super chat? $14 super chat on YouTube, my bro. Love your content, keep it up, G. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that, my bro. Thank you very much for the $14 super chat, my bro. Thank you very much, man. A million, I cannot even fail. Oh, bro, quite a few people have hit it this year. So I'm like, do we up it? There's a possibility that I might. Starting Jan 1. Kowalski! Isn't that the penguin? Lars YB Goldie, thank you very much for the aroha. What do I feel like training today? I'm feeling a bit of a push day. Push day with a side of arms, I think. Yeah, I think that could be the play. That could be the play. Yo, what's up, Medi? Your FYP is healing? Okay, but what was on your FYP though, eh? Eh? The young twerking. What was on the FYP, bro? Tell the truth. Do you also carve bone in front of me? No, but later on I do want to get into it. But that's something that won't start till... I know, brother, there was a lot of sadness. Tits on barbecue sauce, eh? Or barbecue sauce with tits on it. Nah, much love, brother. Welcome back. Hello. Yo, Ben, thank you very much for the gifties. Yeah, profiles, my bro. Although, I do want to try in town. We're in town there at the mall. There's a city fitness opening up, and it's huge. That's huge as. Just someone said their FYP was healing, and I was just being cheeky, saying you must have had a whole lot of twerking and all that. Also, you're gonna try out High Rocks on Tuesday. Hey Brox, how's it been a father so far? I've been a father for 7 years. It's been fun, it's been hard, but all worth it in the end. I'm a father of 3. Christmas and the family go well? Yeah, it was me, Nez. Woo! Sorry, that was annoying me. Oh my days. Unfortunately, it isn't dollars. I mean, oh, bro, it's all good, brother. I'm grateful nonetheless for your kindness, my bro. All good, all good. Thank you very much. You will be late in South Africa, eh? Yeah, I want to give High Rocks a jam on Tuesday. I'm nervous though. A lot of fit people do it, eh? But I'm gonna go to the beginner class. Hey, brother, you have a better day too, my brother. Appreciate you. Okay. One thing we have to do now is we're going to keep moulding this arm, but I want to move over to the leg and mould that a bit too. As you're the man, G. Oh, I'm alright. Yeah, don't put myself on a pedestal, my bro. Feels weird doing that. Alright. Let's get back to it, eh? Was me I seen you the other week. Oh, I'm just glad you said hello, bro. Yeah, a lot of people say I saw you, but I didn't want to say hello. So I'm happy that you done that, my bro. Yeah, I don't know why people get shy to say hello to me. I'm not an asshole. Just trying to make this bloody worse. There we go. Need to play something different.
We are.
Also, something else I need to give me, Chad, is some more protein, eh? Alrighty, let's carry on, eh? So what we're up to now is just chipping away at this other leg, okay? This one here. How long you been doing it? Since I was 12. I am now 34. For a little while, brother. We're gonna go back this way too. Yeah, been at it for a little while. As close to the line as possible. This section's going to be a bit different because it's going to have a hand going over onto the leg as well. So that's something that we have to keep in mind too. At all times. I'm from Malaysia. Kia ora. Yeah, so pretty much after this, got to drive into town. Drive into town and go do washing. Probably go to the profiles next to the laundromat, since it's a better location. Bro has 22 years of experience there. Yeah, pretty much. Did the one cuz ever get his $5 back? No, I wasn't allowed to give it. So I paid him $5 on his PayPal. Reckon 25 is too late. It's only too late if you don't do it. Pretty much. Don't live your life with what ifs. Just do it. Nothing's ever too late to do in life. I mean, Hugh Hefner was still bonking at his old age. What's stopping you from starting carving now? Roll going on. Yeah, playing some Skyrim music. I switched it up from Zelda. Okay, so this way now. Cherry brother Luke. Don't take the power of choice away from yourself and use time. Yeah, bro. Just go out and do it, brother. Yeah. Don't want you living a life of, what if I did it, eh? Sorry, Aisha Queen, I'm not really looking for a co-host. And Hamzi as well. I'm getting spam co-hosted. No, thank you. How long does it take for you to be good at carving? I don't know, still trying to get good. Lifetime. Yeah, it's a lifetime, brother. How did you start carving? My uncle introduced me to Whakairo back in primary school. Or kura kaupapa really, but yeah. That's still crazy Twitch come through and dropped 111 subs, bro. A year from now you'll wish you joined the gym today, be who you... Yeah, pretty much. Just do it, brother. One thing I don't want anyone to sit on is, shall I do it? And regret it later. If you can hear this, just go and do it. Give it a go. But once you're getting old and thinking, wonder what life would be like if I gave that thing a go. You know? I don't want anyone to live with those thoughts in this part of this community. Any love from the Philippines? Much love, brother. Kamusta? Hello. Hello, hello, hello. How you getting along, brother? Very good, my bro. Hope you are too. Something is kind of exciting. Yeah, bro. 100%. Same reason for why I went to London, bro. Give it a go. What makes you realize how good home is? Yeah, bro. That's good you have that experience now. Way back in 2021, brother, that was like the boom year for me. 2020 was that kind of vibe. Because 2020 that clip got taken. Okay, I might have to go up. Nope. Definitely not that way. As soon as I felt the timber lift, nope. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. Happy New Year in advance, my brother. Never felt discouraged from carving once in my 22 years of carving. Not once. It's kind of hard to for me because I genuinely love what I do. I'm not cute anymore. Do, 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 do. That bloody song has been stuck in my head, bro. I think to myself, I am. Whoa, I am. Do, 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 do. I am. Do, 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 do. I think I am. I am. This is my temple, the whole wide world. I think myself, I am. I remember subbing after 2020 clip, watching vids and then it's probably stopped getting recommended. Oh, true, my bro. That's all good. You're back now, brother. I'm going to be doing a bit of a YouTube series next year. Just got to get my one of my cousins to film me while we do it. While we go around to these places. Try and invest more time into YouTube next year. Get more episodes of the podcast out. I might actually upload one on the 1st. It's just a matter of which one do I want to upload, you know? I'll just drink this here. Hey, what up, Larry? Bro, I've been ringing you every day. But, I think towards next year, brother, I'll be leaving. Carver's gonna leave Prodigy sometime next year when No Pixel opens up. No Pixel 5. I'll probably be on again tonight, brother, and try and ring you up again. The wind Ed. Hydrate, good sir. I don't know. I don't speak wind. How could you? Yeah, bro. You're gonna give it a dabble, my bro. Been jumping in notebooks quite a bit too. But yeah, I've been jumping on every day, just seeing if I miss calls and then calling. See if you're awake. I know it's a bit later. What's up, Jav? Okay. Been hard to catch Curina. I don't think she's been on lately though. Her civilian ass. You have any how-to vids for carving? Not really. There's a reason why though. What time is it for you? The time for me is 1:20 in the afternoon. On the 29th of December. Jeez, they're preaching in bloody TikTok lives now. They're bloody evolving, they are. Does he stream? Yes, you wouldn't believe it, but I'm live there right now. And on YouTube. And on Kick.
We're everywhere.
Try to be around tonight. Call me in at 6 a.m. Yeah, bro. That's timelines are a bit hard for us nowadays, eh? Nah, don't stay up late for me, bro. Straight up. Yeah, oh bro, I'd like to be on in the server around these times too. I don't really like doing DJing either. It's too quiet, eh? Kung Fu No, thank you for the 17 months, my brother. What's your favorite cologne? I don't really get into colognes, eh? It's not really my thing, brother. Jerry, brother, Kung Fu No for the 17 months, my bro. What type of pieces do you have to carve? Or was it for display? Yeah, pretty much display. I don't really do any form of furniture at all. You can kind of see we're starting to take shape now. So see how we have a lot of timber. We still have a lot of timber to use. Wait, that's why we're doing a double-sided one right there. So as opposed to the one we did. So as opposed to the one we did, how, you know, we didn't have much timber on it. See? As you can see there. So that's in there. So this one that we're doing now is slightly bigger. Morena from Perth, Morena. How are you? Any chance you have offcuts I could buy off you? Brother, I use the offcuts too. Nothing gets wasted around here, brother. Alright. Where are we? Do you practice other art mediums besides carving? I was doing digital art at the time, then my kids cracked my iPad screen. I just cannot be bothered getting it fixed, to be honest. Yeah, that's the reason why I haven't done any digital art lately. What kind of wood and how is it season dried? So at the moment I'm carving pine, so it's your normal bullshit pine tree. As opposed to the last tiki I did, it was made out of rata, which is a hard timber. Pretty much. Yo, Dan and Jamie, thank you very much for the roses too. But at the moment I'm just using, just pine. I didn't know it was pine until I cut into it and smelt it straight away. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm using as of this moment. It's not too bad. Like, the thing with pine, it's real loose, it's easier to rip. But there are ways around it. You know, the best way is having sharp tools, first of all. And another one is, if you want, use tips. Her husband, thank you very much for the 6 roses. Do you also go get the wood yourself? Yeah, pretty much. I have my own wood supply here. And if I need to go out and get timber, I'll go out and look. Normally I go to a wood recycling centre here. There's because they do a lot of old heritage buildings, and they just donate all the timber to them. And you know, with a lot of those old heritage buildings, it's native. So yeah, I just go there, or ask some of my mates, or if I'm really that desperate, I'll just go home. Go home and you know, you normally find trees on the side of the road and cut it up. Cut it up, bring it home. That's how accessible it is, well, to me. Majority of the time, anyway. Okay, TikTok. It is about that time of the day where I have to finish the TikTok stream. Why? Because my phone is flat. But I want to say thank you very much for the aroha today, everyone. TikTok. I hope you all enjoyed the stream. Good to see everyone. We'll try and get one or two more TikTok streams in before the end of the year. Okay. So for now, TikTok, have a good day. Appreciate you being around, and I'll see you later. Ka kite TikTok. Choo. That was a Tiki Toki stream. How we doing, guys? We all good? What happened to our music? It just like turned off. There we go. Such a chill guy. Chill, my bro. So I'm probably gonna try and get a stream in tonight, chat. I don't think the girls want a movie night tonight. They already had one. So we're gonna try and get another stream in tonight. Probably a gaming one. Oh, it's the bro's birthday today. It's Mateo's birthday today. Yeah, we'll probably try and get another gaming stream in tonight. What shall we play? I'm wondering what to play, man. Ark Raiders? I haven't really been playing that much Ark Raiders, I'm so behind. You still playing well? Yeah, I've been jamming on the anniversary rounds with TBC coming up. It's hard though, because some of my old mates want to jam on Dreams, whatever, Weaver, Alliance, and then some of my other mates are jamming Horde on, what's that other big server? But yeah, I take long to level, so yeah, if anyone wants to boost me through dungeons. My Night Slayer, that's the name of the server. Dream Scythe, and yeah, so I've got level 15 warrior on Dream Scythe, that's ally, and on Night Slayer I've got my warrior that I just started last night. It's Tauren warrior, Bullduck Ramen is his name. And yeah, pretty much just gonna play them and then come over to EU. I can't afford it. Yeah, so who knows? Maybe I'll play that tonight. Have a bit of a chillax WoW stream. I probably won't dive back into hardcore until OnlyFans starts up, so I can do my hardcore challenge. But it's a really dumb challenge, but I'm gonna do it anyway, just for fun. It's not the best idea for someone that is not a fast leveler, but I want to do it for YouTube content. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. What's up, alrighty then? Alrighty then. Cheer, my bro, how are you? Oh yeah, I'm feeling chest today. Chest today. And then do some accessories as well. Try and do a big push day today. So I haven't even weighed myself either. Hey King Tiger, hey, welcome brother. Come over from TikTok there. Cheer, my bro.
Been a couple of days, boy.
Oh, so the speaker is connected to my phone and the iPad. Oh, I was wondering why it was stopping. Makes sense now. Makes sense now. Wonder how much people are watching on the green site. To keep my mind off there, yeah, bro. Yeah, nah, fair enough, brother. Whew, it's getting cold. It's getting bloody cold, man. Let me just go and take my tools inside. One moment. Alright. Ciao, Balloon. Hey, my bird. Hope Christmas as well, brother. Fuck, it's cold. As I get skinnier, I get colder easier. Or the blubber. What the fuck? What's the weather like? Oh, bro, it's fucking cold. Lucky I'm going to the gym soon and then I'll go and train my ass off so I'm not so cold anymore. I'm gonna jump. Once in the chat. This fucking song. messages today. No messages today on the Discord. Oh man, how's everyone been though? Oh, I hope everyone enjoyed the stream today. Progress was made, obviously. And then, what was the 29th today? So we only got 2 more days in the year in Z time. So, what's tomorrow? So tomorrow we gotta drop the kids off. And I'll probably get a night stream in. I wanna try and get a Discord call going. Have a Discord yarn before the end of the year too. I wanna try and do that. Try and have Discord calls more in our Discord. Just, you know, get amongst it with the community some more. Do that. Try and map that out and we can progress from there. What else? Hey, my Christmas gift holds up pretty well. My wife got this for me, so I'm not using the iPad anymore. Just without no speaker. I wonder how loud it can go. That's how loud it can go. That's pretty fucking loud. Oh, 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 oh. Didn't know this was a party or something. I was just seeing how loud my speaker could go. My wife got it for me for Christmas. Oh. Yeah, let's do some chest today, man. We're gonna be pumped for some chest. It's gonna be good. Hey, Paul Maria Coasty, have a good sleep, eh? Have a good sleep, Coasty. Have a good one. Have a good one. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate everyone on the tube watching. And I'll see you another time, eh?